In the vast expanse of the ocean near the Greek island of Antikythera, divers had an unexpected encounter with history. What they found was not treasure, but the wreck of a Roman ship. And among its remnants, something truly extraordinary caught their attention. It was a corroded lump of bronze, inconspicuous and covered in algae, but beneath the sea, this artifact held secrets that would rewrite history. Fast forward to the 21st century. Scientists have made remarkable progress in uncovering the mysteries of this ancient device. They now believe it is the world's first computer. Welcome back to InfoByte Hub, where ancient mysteries meet modern minds. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of the Antikythera Mechanism, a device so advanced that it has left scientists baffled for over a century. So how exactly is the Antikythera Mechanism considered to be the world's first computer? Well, let's explore the intriguing history and evolution of this enigmatic device. Imagine being in the shoes of a diver in the early 1900s. You're exploring a shipwreck when you come across a corroded piece of metal. You bring it up to the surface, unaware that you've just discovered a device that will change our understanding of history. That's exactly what happened when sponge divers stumbled upon the Antikythera Mechanism in 1901. The divers were working near the Greek island of Antikythera when they found the corroded lump, which turned out to be part of something much larger. At first glance, the artifact didn't seem like much. In fact, it almost went to waste as scrap metal. Thankfully, it was saved and brought to the attention of experts who began to piece together its history. As news of this mysterious device spread, it quickly became a sensation in scientific circles. The device soon found its way to the hands of a professor at the University of Athens, who examined it closely. Despite its corroded state, the professor noticed some strange markings on the device. These markings were like nothing he had ever seen before, indicating that the artifact was no ordinary piece of machinery. The device dated back to around 200 BC during the period of the Hellenistic Age, when the Greek and Roman worlds were intertwined. This was a time of great intellectual and technological advancement. So what exactly was this mysterious device? After careful examination, it was determined that the object was not just one single piece, but rather a collection of interconnected gears, dials, and plates. All these components worked together to form a complex astronomical calculator. But what was this device used for? The answer lies in its ability to predict astronomical phenomena. With its intricate workings, it could accurately predict eclipses, calculate the phases of the moon, and even track the positions of planets. This level of accuracy was unheard of for its time. For instance, the device had the ability to predict lunar and solar eclipses with remarkable precision. This would have been invaluable to astronomers and scientists of the day, allowing them to study these celestial events more effectively. Moreover, it could also keep track of the positions of various planets, including Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. This capability enabled users to understand the movements of celestial bodies and make predictions about their future positions. To use this sophisticated device, one had to input specific information such as the date and time. By manipulating the dials and plates, users could obtain valuable astronomical data. For example, they could find out the length of daylight hours for a particular day, or the timing of sunrise and sunset. It's hard to imagine the level of craftsmanship and skill required to create such a precise instrument. The Antikythera Mechanism stands out as a testament to the ingenuity and brilliance of its creators. Its creators were true geniuses, capable of developing such a complex device without the aid of modern tools or technology. Their knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering was exceptional, allowing them to design such a sophisticated piece of machinery. Each gear, dial, and plate was meticulously crafted and assembled with incredible precision. It's amazing to think that this device was created over 2,000 years ago. Its creators possessed an intimate understanding of the workings of the universe, enabling them to develop such an accurate astronomical calculator. But who exactly were the creators of this marvel? Historians believe that the Antikythera Mechanism was likely created by a group of skilled craftsmen, perhaps a secret society known as the Socratic Circle. This highly intelligent group was dedicated to studying the natural world and making discoveries that would advance human knowledge. They believed that the universe was full of patterns and regularities that could be understood through observation and deduction. This mechanical marvel showcases their mastery of engineering and their dedication to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. However, we may never know the exact identity of its creators. Some believe it could have been the work of a single individual, while others think it was a collaborative effort. The mystery only adds to the intrigue surrounding the device. Unfortunately, the original Antikythera mechanism is not complete. Only a small portion of the entire device remains today. Over the years, it has been broken into several pieces, making it difficult to fully comprehend its complexity. However, scientists have been able to piece together a digital reconstruction based on the fragments that exist. Through this reconstruction, we can get a better understanding of how the device would have looked and functioned in its entirety. Despite the challenges posed by its fragmented state, scientists have made significant progress in deciphering the remaining portion of the Antikythera mechanism. They have uncovered more than 2,000 fragments, each providing valuable insights into its functionality. By analyzing the intricate gear system and inscriptions on the device, they have been able to reconstruct its astronomical calculator capabilities. It's amazing to think that after all these years, scientists are still uncovering new things about the Antikythera mechanism. They have discovered that the device had the ability to track the movements of 5 planets, including the Sun. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of ancient Greek astronomy. It shows that the Greeks had a much deeper knowledge of the universe than previously thought. The Antikythera mechanism has captured the attention of historians, archaeologists, and scientists worldwide. Its existence raises profound questions about ancient Greek civilization and its contributions to science and technology. Historians are fascinated by the implications of such an advanced device existing so long ago. It challenges the traditional narrative of technological development and forces us to re-evaluate our understanding of ancient Greek culture. Archaeologists are intrigued by the mystery surrounding the device's origin and purpose. They want to know more about its creators and the context in which it was made. Uncovering this information would provide valuable insights into the intellectual and technological advancements of the time. Scientists are amazed by the precision and complexity of the Antikythera mechanism. They continue to analyze its workings to understand how such an accurate astronomical calculator was created, without modern tools or technology. The Antikythera mechanism continues to be a source of fascination and wonder. Its discovery has opened up new avenues of research and has led to a re-evaluation of ancient Greek civilization. As scientists make new discoveries about the device, we can expect even more revelations about the ingenuity and brilliance of its creators. It's a reminder that human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge have no bounds. The Antikythera mechanism serves as a symbol of the remarkable achievements that humans can accomplish. It inspires us to push the boundaries of our own abilities and to explore the mysteries of the universe. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember the ancient Greeks who, with their limited tools and technology, created an astronomical calculator that tracked the movements of planets and predicted eclipses with astonishing accuracy. Their legacy lives on in the Antikythera mechanism, a timeless testament to human ingenuity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Join us on our journey through time as we continue to uncover the secrets of the ancient world and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching InfoByte Hub. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching InfoByte Hub. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.